Welcome back to N&J Plays. Today, we're doing one Joy-Con each in Master Mode. Jerry has the blue, or the invisible Joy-Con, and I have the red. Alright, the journey begins with...
One day you guys should try playing with the joysticks in the wrong hand. Red and left, blue and right.
Alright, we start out with a
That
Sheikah slate.
is a Sheikah slate.
Yes.
Take it.
Take it.
It will help guide you after your long slumber.
Long slumber. Okay, you know what? Since we're in Master Mode, I think we should go without clothes.
No clothes.
Sorry,
Game.
good one. Good job. Now, let's try to get. Watch out, old man. There's a boulder rolling towards. Switch weapons. Look at the scary video, as a mama carrot.
How did that only do that much damage?
Stop. No, just stop. Okay, get the vocal thing up. Get the ball.
Why did you keep pressing it? Okay, back to
He's doing something weird. Boy.
Keep in mind, there is the line.
Yeah. So, oh no, not. Alright.
Love the
Okay.
Place the Sheikah slate in the pedestal. Who's talking?
Yeah, who's talking?
Who's talking? Even he's skeptical about it.
Yeah.
Who's talking?
He doesn't.
How does the system know there's going to be fallen rocks?
Yeah.
Because it's old Sheikah stuff. It's not like it came there after the towers went back under the ground. Oh, another game. Age of Calamity.
Priorities first.
What are you doing? I know how to do a glitch.
Okay, go ahead.
No. I need both controllers to do a glitch.
What's the glitch?
The glitch is the one where you have the tree branch or the buckle club, and then you jump off, and then you look like you're going to throw the woodcutter's axe, and then you unequip it immediately.
That works.
It works, I've done it.
Okay, we can do that. We're already down here.
Oh!
Oh, man.
Here comes Santa Claus. What present is he gonna give us today?
The old boring man who doesn't do anything.
Where did the paraglider go? Even if you try to jump down, so after you hit the paraglider and you try to jump down, you can make it down there with only 3 hearts. It's just the smoke.
It's
It's like how my Joy-Con is just visible.
Yes, we know about your Joy.
Ow! see if there's any fuzzy parts. I just go like that.
All right, come on. It's a ruby. It's a ruby. I know it is. It's a ruby. It has to be.
We also have the
It's a
extension.
ruby. It's a ruby. It's a ruby. It's a ruby. It's a ruby. That's it. Okay, alright, let's start this plan. Why didn't you just hop in? You don't really got water. Go ahead, Jeffrey. Move the thing out more. Move it! No, move Link closer. No. Wacky, wacky, wacky. Okay, move it back. Ooh! Ooh! Back up, Link. Move! Did you lift it up? Oh, run! Warning, boy! Just delicious food. Eat food. Eat food. What food?
Stay healthy, kid.
Stay healthy, kids. Eat your mushroom. You might keep your life. No, let's just run and hit him in the water. Hit him in the water with a good weapon. With an axe. Come on. Stop doing unnecessary moves. Doing a good job. We don't need to start. But we don't want to. Finally. Alright.
Alright. Here comes Santa Claus. Hopefully he brings us something this time.
I think that might be the end of this video.
No.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, why don't you like it? If you loved it, why don't you subscribe so you can see more of this stuff and split Joy-Cons in Master Mode.